If sketching is your least favorite part of watercolor, this little pen might completely change the way you draw. Maybe you're constantly erasing, covering the page with what Mary White likes to call lottery lines, which is when you make 100 marks hoping one is a winner. Or maybe you prefer a loose, exploratory sketch, but wish you could do it without worrying about messy pencil marks showing through your painting. A few weeks ago, a friend of mine, thank you Joan, introduced me to the Pilot Frixion Pen, and I haven't stopped thinking about it since. It's an erasable rollerball pen that's actually made for quilters. The wild part? Apply heat and the ink simply disappears. Unlike graphite, which gets trapped under watercolor forever, this lets you freely sketch and erase the drawing after you're finished painting. If you've ever wished you could draw with more confidence or just end up with a cleaner looking watercolor, I think you're gonna love this. The first time I tried this pen, I was honestly shocked by how well it worked. I started with this loose sketch of a model dressed as a Jedi. As soon as I laid in the first wash, some of the ink softened and faded, but there was still plenty of the drawing left to guide my painting. When I finished, a few sketch lines were still visible. Then I grabbed my heat tool, and just like that, they disappeared. It honestly feels like magic. Of course, I had to try it again. For this portrait of a Moroccan gentleman, I gave myself permission to sketch much more freely than I normally would. Instead of worrying about perfect proportions or erasing every extra line, I focused on capturing the gesture and energy of the pose. That's what I love about this pen. It encourages fun instead of perfection. Once I had enough information, I started painting with soft blues and violets, leaving the white paper for the sunlit side of the face. After this first stage was dry, perhaps a little prematurely, I decided to use my heat tool to erase the sketch. A second wash added more color and depth, but I definitely realized I needed a little more structure before finishing the portrait. So here's another advantage. You can simply sketch again. I redrew the features, finished the painting, and erased those lines one final time. Now just remember, if you redraw details like the eyes or nostrils, you'll want to paint over them before applying heat again, or they'll disappear too. Here's the original sketch next to the finished painting. It's hard to believe they're the same piece. One more demo because by now you probably know I couldn't stop experimenting. And no, this isn't sponsored. I just genuinely love sharing art supplies that make painting more fun. Before we jump into the last painting, if you'd like to build stronger watercolor fundamentals, things like brush control, washes, and color mixing, I have a free watercolor jumpstart guide and a free beginner class linked in the description below. Be sure to check these out after the video. For this final test, I sketched a horse from imagination using loose, continuous lines. I dropped in a very wet background with just two colors, Pyrrole Scarlet and Phthalo Blue Green shade, and let the paint flow naturally into the shape of the horse and all over the background. As expected, many of the sketch lines softened under the wash, but enough remained to guide the rest of the painting. To really put this pen to the test, I even scribbled extra words and marks around the edges of the paper. After finishing the painting, I reached for the heat tool one last time and watched every sketch line disappear. If you look very closely, you can still spot the faintest traces of those extra marks around the border, but they're practically invisible unless you're searching for them. So what do you think? Is the Pilot Frixion Pen something you'd try? I'd love to hear how you transfer or sketch your drawings before painting, so let me know your favorite method in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, have a creative day!